Happy New Year! Yes, it's the 1st of January, and not only is it the beginning of a new year, but it's also the beginning of a new decade. So this is a really important time to start to engage your tribe. Keep watching while I show you what we have in store for you in this video. Welcome, it's Richard Butler, Director of Education here at PLR.me. And I've got myself a new pair of glasses for this very important year, and I feel like I have 20/20 vision. I'm not sure why. First of all, if you're new here, welcome. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with our content marketing calendars and other training that we provide. And each month I'm here with 2 videos walking you through the content calendar, highlighting some of the important holidays and showing you the content that you can use to engage your audience. In this video, I'm going to concentrate on the following holidays. January 1st, New Year's Day. January 3rd, Festival of Sleep. January 10th, Cut Your Energy Costs. January 13th, Make Your Dreams Come True Day. And January 17th, Ditch Your New Year's Resolutions. January 1st, of course, is New Year's Day. A day where some people are a little bit worse for wear. So I'll keep my voice down just in case that's you. But it is a day, of course, where people say, I'm going to give up smoking. Oh, I'm going to give up drinking. Oh, I'm going to give up eating because I ate too much. Usually happens to me. But what you want to do is you want to capture people's attention today in order to help them keep to their New Year's resolutions. So this first resource is 25 ways to keep your New Year's resolutions. Now here's my suggestion. New Year's Day is not going to be the most productive day for many people. So what about doing a short video highlighting 5 of the ways to keep your New Year's resolutions and then encourage people to sign up for a webinar where you will reveal the other 20 tips. I think this is a really effective method to start to filter people onto this webinar. We are going to talk about December 17th, where you are going to tell people to ditch their New Year's resolutions. Now keep watching because this is a very interesting strategy that we're going to use. Sorry, I'm a little bit tired, and the great thing is that January 3rd is Festival of Sleep Day. A great day to talk about sleep. And the resource we have today is really interesting. 15 healthy things to do before bed. Because you see, we have a lot of bad habits that we may be engaging in before we go to bed. One of those would be looking at screens too much because it activates your brain and then you can't sleep, or maybe it's eating too late, which happens to us here in Barcelona, that we eat very late. Sometimes we have dinner at 10 or half 10. So you can imagine, we don't get to bed till 12, half 12, and then we don't get enough sleep. So today is an ideal time to share a resource, obviously about sleep, because people will probably be tired from the holiday season. You could perhaps record the resource as a podcast and have some nice relaxing music playing in the background. Or if you have a lovely open fire, you could maybe record it as a video in front of an open fire so that people get relaxed and they feel cozy and sleepy, and you bring in the whole element of relaxing before you go to sleep. Of course, this is just one idea. You may do this as an article, as a live, etc. Remember, there's many ways to repurpose our content. Now it is a new year and we're going to set up new habits. So what about talking about cutting your energy costs? And it's an ideal day to do it because this is what January 10th is all about. Because, you know, we do spend a lot on energy and we probably waste a lot of resources, and we could reuse and recycle. I don't know about you, but we get a lot of junk mail in the post. And I don't mean these emails are virtual junk mail. I mean actual physical junk mail comes into the post. What can you do with this junk mail? Well, you could share this resource. Share it as a PDF. Do not print it out because then this will go contrary to what the actual day is all about. But this resource is called Green Tip of the Month, Recycling Your Junk Mail. And it's an ideal resource to get your audience talking about recycling in general, but with something that they are probably coming into contact every single day, whether it's in their offices or whether it's at home. We receive too much junk mail. Now, sometimes the junk mail actually promises to make my wildest dreams come true, but you know that's not going to happen. But it leads us nicely into January 13th, Make Your Dreams Come True Day, because that's really nice, isn't it? If we could make our dreams come true. And you can help your audience make their dreams come true with the resource I'm going to tell you about now. And that resource is Happy New You. It's a brand new year. And I'm a firm believer that we can always reinvent ourselves And this resource will help do just that. It's a lovely report talking about how to become a brand new you. So how to make changes in your life, in yourself, in order to become a new person. And this is what it's all about. We are in a constant state of evolving to version 1, version 2, version 3 of ourselves. I think I'm probably on version 47 of myself, if I'm being completely honest. Yes, I know, 47, can't believe it, either can I. I look so good. So you can help your audience with this report. If you are a monthly or yearly member, you can actually use one of our tools, which is called the PDF Brander, in order to brand this report with your logo and with your website details. Every single month, I have to remind myself to tell you about our bundles. You see, in these videos, I just highlight one resource per holiday, but we actually have a lot of resources available. And what you can do is you can actually download all of the resources available for that day in a bundle. And what that allows you to do is actually to build out that day with more resources. But not only that, you will actually save credits by downloading the bundle. So individually, it might cost you 50 credits to download all of the resources. But because you're downloading it in a bundle, you will actually get it at a reduced rate. Our final holiday for this video is January 17th. Ditch your New Year's resolutions. Sorry, Richard, say that again. I said ditch your New Year's resolutions. You're telling me that I have to tell my clients to ditch their New Year's resolutions? Well, yes, you are going to be one of the few coaches who will actually be saying this, because you see, New Year's resolutions don't actually work most of the time. Why? Because people create them the wrong way. They say, I want to give up smoking. I want to stop drinking. And of course, when you talk about stopping or giving up something, your brain says, whoa, 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 whoa. I don't want to stop anything. I don't want to give up anything. So your brain actually works against you. So what you need to show people is how to create smart goals. And we have a lovely email sequence to help you do that called the Success Brain, Smart Goals and Healthy Habits. Now, this is an email sequence that will do a pre-sell to our full course called the Success Brain. And this would be an ideal resource to share today, that you can actually pre-sell people into this course. The course itself is very in-depth and will actually help your clients immensely. And if you're worried that, how am I going to deliver this course? I actually have created some videos which will step you through how I created a course in a weekend for Udemy and got over 1,000 students in a matter of days. So do check out that course because it's going to really help. Talking about really good habits, are you logging into PLR.me on a regular basis and downloading our latest content? Hold on a sec, you're not actually a member of PLR.me yet? Don't worry, we've got you covered. All you need to do is go to PLR.me, sign up for a free account. We don't even ask for credit card details. And each and every month, we're actually going to give you 2 free credits so that you can download some of our content for free. It's a gift from us, just for you, to show you what our site is like and allow you to download some of our products. Absolutely no catch at all. Now remember, I am here every single month. I produce 2 videos a month about our content calendar, exactly like what you've seen today. So I recommend that you subscribe to our channel and that you click on the little bell icon so you can be notified when we upload our new video. All that's left to be said is welcome to 2020. Make sure that you have 2020 vision this year and sign up for a free account at PLR.me. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.